Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics, and in this tutorial I'm going to be walking you through how to create this scorecard in Excel in such in a way that if you update the data, it should automatically update itself. So the scorecard is dynamic in a way. So now if I change this particular 98, which is for marketing, if I change it to 50, or let's say 50 here, you can see now that it has updated itself in the chart. So that is the or that is how the chart is dynamic. So now let's move to our chart, and now let's get started. So now assuming I have this now in a particular department, and you want to represent this information in this chart, so you can actually use the scorecard. So now I'm going to be the first thing that we'll do is we'll insert the formula using if our scorecard, if our score is greater than or equals to a is 0.8 comma 1 comma 0. That's for our pass. That's our pass. So then I'm going to be extending it to hit this place. And then if for our fail will be if our score is also greater than or equals to 0.8, in this case it will now be 0 comma 1. Then I'm going to be expanding that to the extending it to this. So now let's create our chart. The first chart that we are going to be creating is the column chart. So you click the column chart. Then the next thing now is to extend the I'm going to be formatting the column chart. I don't need this. I don't need the legend. Then I'm going to be formatting, removing the vertical axis. So now we can just bring this down. So we can bring it down. Okay. So now you can change this chart title to scorecard and then format it. You can decide to format it here. So now the next thing now, you can still extend this. The next thing now is to introduce this symbol for each of the for pass and for fail. So you go to insert, go to icon. Before you can access it, make sure that your PC is connected to internet for you to be for you to be able to access it. Then scroll here to get to signs and symbol. Once you get to signs and symbol, pick this and also this for our pass and fail. So now I have it now. So you can decide to separate them. So now we need to also format this. Format this. So okay. So before we format this down, let's format let's format this first. Format this. Then I'm going to be changing this to red. Then I'm going to be changing this to a green, which is for pass. Then also we need to format our series, our chart series. So now we go to this place, reduce the gap width to 0, then reduce this series overlap to 100%. Then we have this here. So now the next one now we'll be picking each of the sign for each of the pass. And for our pass, you know the pass represent the red. So now for our pass, so I'm going to be copying this, then selecting the pass, which is the rest, put it there. Then this one too, I'm going to copy it and select this, put it here. Now we have our scorecard there. We have our scorecard there. Okay, so don't let me chunk it. So we have our scorecard there. So now if I let's move it up. Now if I change this now, if I change this to 8C8, you can see now if I change this to 30, okay, if I change this to 30, you can see it's still giving me the same thing. Now if I change this to 50, you see now that it has changed. So that means that this particular scorecard is dynamic, so it means that it automatically updates itself. And I if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also most importantly, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button to receive updates on all the Excel tips and all everything on data analytics. Bye.